guys, welcome to Dash of Amy. I'm Amy and today I'm joined by Cindy, who is my future daughter-in-law, and we are going to be making some date energy balls that are fantastic. And one thing about Cindy is that she loves to cook and she is super creative in the kitchen, which works great for me. And so she came up with this recipe and these are fantastic. And we are talking about 4 ingredients and that's it. Peanut butter, dates, walnuts, and cacao powder. So completely natural, simple, easy, healthy, and delicious. What would they be good for, Cindy?
They would be good for breakfast, post-workout, pre-workout, on-the-go snacks, great for kids.
Yes, yes, and like for me, I hate breakfast, so this is perfect. Grab one of these, they're really filling, and they will carry you for a few hours, which is perfect. So we're gonna use a food processor. You could use a blender if you don't have a food processor, wouldn't you say? Mm-hmm. All right, and so we'll just go ahead and do our thing and get started. So Cindy, what do we do first? Oh, okay, the walnuts first. Yeah. Okay, how much walnuts?
Okay, a little more.
Maybe double?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do a half a cup of the walnuts.
Should we do more?
What do you, how many should we need?
Maybe one more. Okay.
Okay, so that looks about right. All right. So she makes recipes up and she doesn't always write down the measurements. So, okay, so we're doing 3/4 cup of walnuts. Do we chop these alone first or? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, so we'll go ahead and give these a chopping.
That should be good.
Okay. All right.
I'm just gonna blend more with everything else.
Okay, perfect. Is there a trick to getting the pits out?
You just grab one piece and then the other piece and you just pull it apart.
Okay, and then the big old pit comes out.
Yeah.
Okay, and so dates, I think you wrote down we're gonna use about 15, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, so you can either get pitted dates or you can just take the pit out. It comes out really simple. So there's 1, 2, 3.
If you get pitted dates though, they're gonna be drier, so you're gonna wanna wet it beforehand.
Okay.
Like soak it in
yeah.
water or warm water.
Right, for some reason they are tastier
fine,
and, okay, tastier with the pit. I noticed that too, way better, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, 6.
7.
8.
No.
10. Sticky.
Yeah. 12.
13, 2 to go.
You have that.
Okay.
And then rinse.
Yes. Okay, so
now
now we'll go ahead
blend.
and, so we'll blend it on high again?
Yeah.
Until it's pretty ground?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Until it starts coming together.
Okay, yeah, so see it kind of forms a ball there? And I'm sure that the stickiness of the dates is gonna help these really stick together and roll really nice, right? Okay.
So now we're gonna add the peanut butter, and you want around 2 tablespoons.
Okay, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And I suppose if they're allergic to peanuts, you could use any nut butter, right?
Yeah.
Of course, always, you know, substitutions will always work.
You can kind of do whatever you want with these recipes.
Yeah.
You just want to use dates as your main ingredient, and you can add whatever else you want.
And the great thing about dates is they are extremely healthy. Loaded with fiber, vitamins, minerals, calcium, and great for your brain power, which we could all use a helping hand with some brain power, don't you think? Mm-hmm. Especially me.
No.
Got a lot going on in that brain, huh? Too many kids.
So we're gonna do a tablespoon of the cacao powder.
Okay. And you can get this at,
I got this one at Trader Joe's, and this one was pretty cheap. It was $5, and it's organic. But I've also gotten it at Walmart.
Oh yeah?
I think it was like $7.
Oh wow.
So
okay.
Trader Joe's is cheaper though.
Trader Joe's is the way to go. I love that it's just 4 ingredients.
Me too.
I know, right? I'll brace it.
I'm gonna fly off.
Okay. So you just want to mix it to get the ingredients incorporated fast and easy. And
That's pretty good.
good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do we need a plate or like a pie dish or something to put this in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So you're gonna want to use a shallow dish because if you put it in a bowl, it's gonna be a little bit harder to coat everything. And we're gonna put 1/4 a cup down to start with.
You think so? So that should be plenty.
Yeah.
1/4 cup should be plenty.
And once we roll them, we're just gonna put them in here so that way they can directly go into the freezer.
Okay. So now we're gonna roll them, right? Just roll them into balls.
Yeah.
I smell peanut butter. It smells good.
Do you want to spoon?
Hmm?
Do you want
I
to
guess I'll
spoon?
use my fingers.
Okay.
I wash my hands. All right, so about this size?
Yeah.
Okay, so just roll them into a ball. They roll like a dream. Look at that, Cindy girl. She's my Cindy girl. And then just coat with this powder?
Yeah.
Ooh, yummy.
They're really chocolatey. They taste like dessert. So if you have a sweet tooth and you're trying to cut back on sugar, this is
the way to
really
go.
good
Okay.
recipe.
Wonder how many we'll get. Probably at least a dozen, huh?
I think so.
Yeah.
You can be as big or as small as you want to.
And I think we mentioned it, but kid friendly, which is what we want. For kids to eat snacks that are actually healthy is key. So,
And you can definitely put other powders in here. And then the peanut butter and the dates would kind of coat it, like spirulina.
oh yes,
seed
yes.
powder.
Perfect way to mask the greens. It's a good idea. We're at 9.
That's pretty good.
Now I have breakfast tomorrow. I'm excited.
I have dessert for later.
There
That
you
Matthew
go.
will approve of.
Yes, if he doesn't eat them all.
These are really filling though.
Yes.
You can
Dense.
have 2 and be content.
I think we got 15. 15 or 16, so that's a good
That's
amount,
pretty good for
right?
using 15 dates.
Look at that, piece of cake. So we store these in the freezer because they firm up and they're better that way. So we would suggest that if you prefer them in the refrigerator, that's your call, but we are talking healthy, delicious, fast, easy. It doesn't get any better, right girl? Wow.
And
that-
pretty cheap. It's not
Yes,
that expensive.
and
to
cost
make.
effective, yeah. So there you go. I hope you guys will go out and make them and comment down below and let us know how they turned out. Thanks for watching, and remember that all my recipes are down below. Thank you, Cindy girl.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, you can. You got this. I'll lead you until you mistake. Hey guys, welcome to Dash of Amy. I'm Amy, and I am so happy today because I have sweet Cindy here with me, who is my future daughter-in-law. You can. Hey guys, welcome to Dash of Amy. I am Amy, and today I'm gonna kill her. Oh, I'm gonna kill her. Cindy, we can do this. Ready?
Tears.
Oh, we got this. Okay, wipe your tears. Hey guys, welcome to Dash of Amy. I'm Amy, and this giggle box is Cindy. And since she can't stop laughing, we're just gonna roll with it. And this is a perfect recipe for what, Cindy? What do you think?
Snacks.